Ready?
Yep.
Holy shit! Yeah.
I think the igniters work.
Yeah, that is the right temperature for the igniter. Who are you calling?
Two parts sort of running Uni.
Do you hear that?
Why does that one not work? Yeah, it's not fully working, but it makes sounds. Make some sounds, Nicole.
Hold on, let it fill a little more. Here's a little bit of adjusting.
Wow, is that warm?
It hasn't really been.
It smells like thunder over there.
We just sort of got it sort of running.